Okay, everybody, thanks for joining us on a Quick Tip Tuesday. In this edition, we are looking at the Altendorf Edgebander. Now, this tip should work on all Altendorf models, both in the F series and the K series. This happens to be a fully loaded Altendorf F5. That's going to have spray systems. It's going to have mobility package, the lighting package, corner rounding, everything you see on here, including the buffing and the nesting feature. So this machine is in stock. If you want to see this, make an appointment. We'd love to show it to you. But let's get back to the video. So we're actually looking at the spray system today. So if we go to the rear here, this is the cleaning spray. You're usually going to find this right in front of the flat scrapers and buffing. You can see right there, we've got two nozzles, one on top, one on bottom. And these are easily adjusted just like this. You can open and close that valve, put more or less liquid on here. Now, another tip is you could put a piece of cardboard in here and visually see how much liquid you're putting on and dial that in exactly where you want that. But in this case, we've got a customer who called in and they ran out of liquid. So the system went dry. They ordered new liquid, which we provide. And when they got it, they put it in the bottles, but they're not getting any spray on the panels. The reason is once that goes dry, you're losing all the liquid inside your tube and you're gonna have to prime the system. You're gonna have to run it continuously for 10, 15, 20 seconds in order to get that liquid back to the nozzles where it needs to be. Now, your dialing in should still be okay. You can open it up to speed that time up. But the amount of liquid is fine, but it's just not there. It's just not at the nozzles. So in order to fix that, there's two things you can try. One is you can put an 8-foot panel in. That'll let it run for a number of seconds as it goes through the machine. But if that's not enough, we can actually go to the parameters and fix that pretty easily. Now, it's not going to let us spray with the hood open, so we'll go ahead and close the hood. We'll go back over here to our controller, and we'll make sure we have a cleared controller. So we'll hit the start button, no error messages. Now, you do have to be in service or admin mode. Standard mode's not going to let you access this test. So if you need a service or admin password, just contact your Altendorf dealer or Altendorf directly, and they'd be happy to help you with that. We're going to go ahead and hit our menu, and we're going to go into service mode. And all we're looking for is right here, test valve cleaning agent. You can hit that, and as you can see in here, that is spraying. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that liquid coming out of there. Oh, you can a little bit, right there. So you get that to where it's primed and it's now spraying again. And we're gonna come back over here. We're gonna turn that off. And so it just depends on how much of those tubes were empty, how long you'll need to have that on. Again, if you have a piece of cardboard in there, you can visually see when it starts spraying. And then you should be back in business and should have that cleaning spray on your panels once again. I hope this tip was helpful, and thanks for watching.